Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume. I'm in love with this perfume. I use it very, very often. I really like the fact that it gives me this sense of a modern woman, but elegant and a bit of rebellious at the same time. This perfume has a distinctive and alluring fragrance. It has this combination of floral and oriental notes. Also, it has this blend of almond and coffee without being too strong. And it feels and it smells warm and inviting. The hard notes includes jasmine and tuberose, which adds a touch of femininity and sensuality at the same time. And a plus is that the bottle is just beautiful. And that's my point of view.